Here are 5 easy gardening hacks perfect for beginners. 1. Start with easy plants. Choose low-maintenance plants like herbs, basil, mint, rosemary. Vegetables, lettuce, radishes, cherry tomatoes, flowers, marigolds, sunflowers, zinnias. They grow fast, are forgiving, and build your confidence. 2. Use eggshells for seed starters. Crack eggs carefully and keep the shell halves. Fill with soil and plant seeds inside. Once seedlings grow, plant the whole shell in the ground. It breaks down and adds calcium to the soil. 3. Water smart with recycled bottles. Poke small holes in a plastic bottle. Bury it next to plants and fill with water. It slowly releases moisture to the roots. Great for busy days or vacations. 4. DIY fertilizer from kitchen scraps. Banana peels, rich in potassium. Used coffee grounds. Add nitrogen. Crushed eggshells. Add calcium. Mix them into the soil or compost to feed your plants naturally. 5. Know your sunlight. Spend a day observing your garden space. 6+ hours. Sun equals full sun. 3 to 6 hours equals partial sun, chapter shade. Less than 3 hours equals shade. Match plants to your light conditions to avoid struggling growth.